Hi, Spencer. Hi, Jason. Hi, Aaron. Hi, Maddie.
Can you tell them where you live? They don't know where you live, I don't think. Where do you...
I live in Minneapolis.
You live in Minneapolis? Do you go to school?
I go to school. Ow! I go to school.
And what have we been to? Where did we go at the mall?
I went to Lego World at the mall.
And did you see anything? What did they have there?
They had tons of Legos.
And did they have a giant stormtrooper or something like that?
A giant stormtrooper? What giant stormtrooper?
Made out of Legos. Or who was that?
What was it? What was it?
Oh no, that thing you got your picture taken with. That was made out of Legos and it was tall.
Oh yeah, giant fit in the bombing.
And was SpongeBob at the mall?
I don't know. Was he? There were tons of Legos and tons of Legos and tons. And there was an Indiana Jones airplane, and it came with Indiana Jones' friend, and there's a bad guy with it, and there was a city camper, which it turns into two things which you can build, and it comes with Lego.